The folks at Exterior Portfolio are hooking Chelsea up with brand new solid core siding. Choosing the new siding and accessories is really easy because Exterior Portfolio has an online design tool called Dream Designer, which lets you upload a picture of your home and then try out a variety of options for siding, trim, and tons of architectural details. Visualizing these changes is always difficult for homeowners, and this tool removes the uncertainty.
Oh, wow, that looks a lot different.
You can even order a sample board that combines your selections so there's no guesswork at all. When the siding crew arrives, the Exterior Portfolio factory rep is with them, and he gives me some of the inside scoop on this stuff. Joel, I know you guys must get some great response off of the siding.
Oh, we absolutely do, Danny. It's an incredible product.
And then over here with having the foam backing for the moisture barrier and a little extra R value,
And
that's
it
awesome.
gives your home a drainage plane. It gives a place where the home can let the moisture out.
And then all of your accent pieces, I always love to see the shakes like this. I know she's planning on using these up on the gable there and seeing that in contrast with the siding.
The beautiful cabin brown, and that is the single 8 Portsmouth shake, and when you put those together, giving that staggered texture, it's just going to be beautiful on there.
And then this is going to be embedded in the gables as well, so you have that.
Yeah, and then in addition, she's going to be using a 3.5-inch lineal to give the old wood window look.
Man, what
that used to be done.
What a great combination, and even that's insulated.
Absolutely. So yeah, she'll have a fully insulated home on the outside of it.
Well, that's perfect. I know something else that I think is pretty cool. They're putting up some of the soffit pieces over here now, and I notice how this is a little bit different than what I've seen in the past, where it's basically kind of all of the ventilated slots are kind of hidden there.
Exactly. This is a hidden vent soffit, and what's really cool about this is your ventilation is up into the break of the soffit, so it's hidden, but it gives you the net-free airspace that's required for the intake ventilation. That foam backing on the siding that Joel showed me, it adds a 2.5 R value all over the house, but it also makes the siding more rigid so it looks more like real wood. The trim pieces that wrap the windows, corners, and just below the soffit also help create the authentic look of traditional materials without the upkeep. The final touches, like the gable vents and the matching caulk sealant around the windows and doors. Titebond makes this stuff in nearly 200 colors so David can match the siding perfectly. Installing the low-maintenance siding, trim, and accessories from Exterior Portfolio, we addressed the maintenance issues for the house, made it more energy efficient, and improved the appearance immensely.